welcome back. Today I'm in a new location just for some variety, and I've got something really exciting to unbox for you guys today. It's my first time ordering a subscription box from this company, but it's a Look Fantastic makeup box, skincare collection, so let's get started and see what's inside. Alright, here. So I'm going to open up the box. Easy way to open it, yep. You can just pull it down like this with a pull tie. So that's nice. And then, ooh, when you open it up, I love how these boxes are really, they're just like an origami. Just the way they fit perfectly around the main surprise. So this is very nice, very lovely. It's a nice lavender color, the color of the season. Okay. When you open it up, you get a booklet that gives some tips on makeup. It goes through a little bit about the different products in the box, which is very nice. Wrapped in a very nice tissue. Also packaged in a, if you can see that, but it's packaged in a nice confetti. So the first thing that we have is a by Bella Pierre. I don't know if you can see that. Some nice colors of the season. Next thing we have is, ooh, I love Starskin. Starskin is one of my favorites. Their masks are really great. They're very effective, and they look amazing on your skin, or they make your skin look amazing. This is a Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. So I'll be excited to give this a try. Yep, I love these masks. In fact, before I showered today, I did a Korean face mask on my face right before my shower. In fact, I wore it in the shower and then let the steam just help sort of push that product in, and then afterwards I just rubbed it onto my face. So I'm a big fan of face masks, and now that I'm home a lot more these days, I have a lot more time to actually do the face masks. Slanted tweezers. Well, you can always use some tweezers, can't we? I dare say I lose those tweezers quite a bit, so this is kind of a nice addition to have. It's always nice to have a pair of tweezers. This is a transforming body lotion. Okay, that's very nice. It's always nice to have a new lotion to try. And this is a hydrate and supplement. Probably a little bit of a serum that you can put on your skin. On the back, they give you the May sneak peek. Yeah, you know, it's okay. I don't know if I will continue to do it, just because I belonged to Birchbox for quite a bit of time. I just started having all these boxes piling up, and I didn't know what to do, and I still have products that I haven't used. I will say it's a step above Birchbox, and then this is actually like a really nice box. I feel like this is probably what you're paying for the most. They're not the cheapest of the box to put products in, so there you go. I also got another one. Let's see what this is. Ooh, 2 beauty boxes. I mean, this is really, look at that. That is really nice. It's a very nice box. So again, you get another booklet that goes through everything, what's in the box. It goes into detail about how to use the product, a little bit about the company that the product is from, some repair cream, Real Gorgeous repair cream for your hair, so that will be nice. This is all about hair, some hair vitamins, or vitamins depending on where you're from. Chewable hair vitamins. This is exciting. I will love to see how these work, and I will definitely be taking these. A Chantecaille Hibiscus Soothing Mask. So it's another nice thing to put on right before you hop in the shower, before you go to bed. This is a Rhodile bee venom cleansing balm. So I'm not sure if it's made from bee venom, so if you're vegan or vegetarian, this might not be something that you... In fact, let me just have a look and see if it's actually made from bee venom. Well, folks, it does look like it actually contains bee venom. So if you are vegan, probably don't want to use this. I think for me, I'll have to decide whether I want to use this or pass this on or not. This is Ritual Spa, Ritual of Ayurveda, a nice shower oil. I love these because I like it when if I just put this on right after I've done my final rinse in the shower, then I can throw on some shower oil and there's my lotion for the day. So these are actually really quite nice to have. And this is by Madara, and it's called Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream. So we'll see about that. It's good to have an eye cream and put one on, but I've yet to find one that actually takes wrinkles away, but we'll see. We'll see how that works. And oh, we got one more thing hiding in there. It's an Elizabeth Arden Superstart Booster Serum. This is a really nice box surprise to get. I probably have quite a few full size in here with this. So thanks for unboxing with me, and I will quickly go over every item really quick with the camera so you can get a close-up and see what's in the box and decide for yourself. This is a Look Fantastic monthly beauty box unboxing. Thanks for watching. This is the close-up of the beauty box. So here you have a Ritual Nurturing Shower Oil, a full-size 30-day supply of Hairburst Chewable Hair Vitamins, or vitamins if you're in the UK, Elizabeth Arden Superstart Skin Renewal Booster, Madara Organic Skincare, a Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream, you have a Chantecaille mask, a hibiscus smoothing mask. It comes with a Grow Gorgeous Repair Hair and Scalp Mask. And last but not least, you get the Rhodile Bee Venom Cleansing Balm. So there you have it. That looks like that's the March edit for the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. Now this is what's inside the April Beauty Box. Is all about spring, and what you get here is a Bella Pierre Peach Blossom Palette. It says this is worth £28.99. And it looks like it's basically, you can use this on your eyes, which is great. I thought it was a bronzer, but it's an eyeshadow palette, so yeah. That's what I get for not wearing my glasses when I open up these edits. But yes, so this is an eyeshadow palette, and it is a very nice, some very nice colors, so I will be excited to try these on and see how this looks on. Comes with a nice mirror. Of course, you'll have to use your own brush. You get a full size, obviously, a Starskin One Use Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oils Sheet Mask. It's fun. Also get a coffee scrub, an exfoliating scrub by Mine Tan Body and Skin. Get a pair of slanted tweezers from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. Also in this box is a Erno Laszlo Hydrate and Nourish Lotion Skin Supplement. Finally, there is the Ameliorate Smooth Skin Science Transforming Lotion. And basically it is specially formulated to treat keratosis pilaris, the dry bumpy skin often found on the back of your arms. It has lactic acid in it, and it helps get rid of dead skin cells and reveal renewed, soft, healthy skin. So this is actually something that will be interesting to try out and share my if I've experienced anything different from that. So that was the Look Fantastic March and April edit. I hope you enjoyed watching and looking at my unboxings. I am excited to try out the products and see. There's a lot of things that, you know, for being stuck at home that I can use. And there are quite a few things that I would like to try that I probably wouldn't have bought. So I'll be interested to see if they work, and will provide, if something works and I end up buying it at a later date, I will definitely let you know. In the meantime, I'd love to hear some feedback in the comments. Which of these items are interesting to you? And based upon what you saw in the unboxings today, would you order a Look Fantastic beauty box? I would love to hear your feedback. And thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Come join us. We have a lot of fun here with unboxings and informative videos, as well as entertaining videos. So you get a little bit of everything here. So hit subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Please comment and let me know your feedback, what you liked, what you didn't like, as well as what you thought about these two beauty boxes that I got at the same time, actually, for March and April. Look fantastic. Thanks so much. I hope everybody has a great day. Everybody take care, and I'll see you again.